Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to talk about Zerodha, a discount broker in India versus Anand Rathi, a prominent full service stockbroking company. We're looking at different aspects in this comparison. We'll check out company backgrounds, account opening charges, brokerage, exposure or leverage provided across segments, research or any trading education they provide to their clients. Trading platforms will be specifically looking at the mobile app's performance and some other features that can help you to figure out which of these two stockbrokers could be a better choice for you. Let's get started. Starting with the company background, Zerodha is a discount broker launched in the year 2010. In fact, Zerodha brought the concept of discount broking in India. Anand Rathi is a prominent and veteran full-service stockbroker established in the year 1994. Today, in whole India, they have presence in more than 1200 locations across sub-brokers and franchise networks. Zerodha, on the other hand, has caught up, and right now they are around present in 70 locations of the country. Being a discount broker, this is probably a rare achievement. Not many discount brokers can claim that. As far as exchanges are concerned, both of these stockbrokers are members of BSE, NSE and commodity exchanges of the country. If we talk about the account opening charges, Zerodha is certainly much cheaper as you compare with Anand Rathi. Zerodha takes 200 rupees for trading account and 100 rupees for the demat account opening. As far as Anand Rathi is concerned, they charge 750 and 550 respectively for the same accounts. As far as AMC is concerned, 300 rupees you need to pay for the demat account annual maintenance to Zerodha. The amount is same for Anand Rathi, but it starts from second year. First year AMC is free. If we move ahead and talk about brokerage, well, that is one area you can't really compare Zerodha and Anand Rathi, being a discount broker, one, the other being a full service stock broker. Zerodha doesn't charge you anything for equity delivery. So if you buy a stock today and sell it tomorrow or later, you won't be charged any brokerage rate. You need to pay some transaction charges, some taxes, but brokerage will be free. In case of Anand Rathi, it's 0.3% initially, but you can negotiate it down depending on your trading capital and experience. If you talk about other segments, the maximum brokerage you need to pay to Zerodha is 20 rupees. It can be less than that depending on your trade value, but it cannot certainly go beyond 20 rupees per trade. In case of Anand Rathi, you can see the values, but again, it really depends on the trade value you're putting in. If you are trading in higher capital, then Anand Rathi will be much more expensive. But if your trading capital or the trade value are in a smaller range, then probably both of these stockbrokers can be in a similar sort of a range. Moving ahead, if we talk about the exposure or leverage, well, for people who don't understand the concept, basically it's a loan provided by your stockbroker depending on your initial capital, initial deposit and the trading behavior. It's basically charged upon an interest. That particular number is also going to be paid by you. Zerodha gives you 5 times for intraday. Well, it can go up to 14 times. Recently they updated that number, but again, as long as you're making profits in your trades, that number is definitely going to improve. In case of Anand Rathi, it can go up to 10 times for intraday. For example, in case you have trading account balance of 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 1 lakh rupees for intraday in case of Anand Rathi. In other segments, the maximum leverage provided by Anand Rathi is up to 2 times, whereas Zerodha gives much higher values of exposure across segments. So if you are looking for higher exposure values, go for Zerodha. Intraday might be a little catchy, might be a little fishy, because it really depends on the kind of capital you're putting in and the kind of behavior you're showing. You make profits or losses, and based on that the exposure might increase, but initially Anand Rathi might be a better choice in case of intraday trades only. If we talk about customer service now, well, full service stockbrokers such as Anand Rathi give you a range of customer communication channels, plus their quality is also far better than discount brokers. In this case, you can see that Anand Rathi gives you email support, live chat, phone number, toll-free number. They've got 1200 branches that you can talk to, and then there are Play Store feedbacks. There are social media that you can get in touch with these people. The turnaround time is also pretty decent, and at the same time, the quality of response you get more or less solves your problem. Zerodha, on the other hand, is just going to help you with your account related task. The customer service can't really dependent a lot when it comes to a discount broker such as Zerodha. So definitely Anand Rathi will give you much better customer service as compared to Zerodha. If you talk about research and trading products, again the point of full service versus discount brokers come into picture. Zerodha, being a discount broker, cannot provide you any sort of reports or trading calls. If you looking for one, then go for a full service stockbroker. And in fact, Anand Rathi is known to be one of the most promising houses when it comes to research. Their tips, their accuracy is much better than other full service stockbrokers as well. So if that particular aspect is your preference, is the top priority, go for Anand Rathi. But if you're a beginner looking to have some education, understanding of the trading and investment, then Zerodha's got some portals. They've got Varsity, for example, that teaches you in 11 different languages, 11 regional languages. You can pick and choose and go ahead and learn about it. They've also got other portals such as Open Trade, where you can connect with the heavy experts and traders, learn from their experience and place trades accordingly. So it's all really dependent on the kind of cycle or the phase of cycle you are in, and what kind of expectations you are looking from your stockbroker. If you talk about trading segments, well, you can trade across equity, mutual funds, IPOs, currency, commodities. There are bonds, there are ETFs. You can trade and invest through Anand Rathi. Zerodha does everything, but they can't really help you in investing in IPOs directly. There is an indirect way through banks, but there is no direct way as of now as far as Zerodha is concerned. Moving on, if you talk about some other features, well, these features are preferable to some portion of clients, not all of them. Again, the full service stockbroker point comes into picture, where they give you SMS alerts, they give you automated trading, market tips. They in fact give you a relationship manager who is one-to-one working with you, helping you out with your portfolio and assisting with you all the kinds of advices you need. But if you are a sole learner, if you can do it by yourself, then probably Zerodha can come in with much better propositions. Now let's talk about the trading platforms, and specifically we'll be talking about their mobile apps. So we are using Google Play Store for reference here. Zerodha's mobile app is called Zerodha Kite. As far as stats are concerned, the mobile app is rated at 4.2 by around 7,800 users. Out of those, around 11% of the users have rated this app at either 1 or 2. This makes the overall satisfaction score at around 89%, which is definitely better than the industry average. There are some concerns around the interconnectivity, especially if you're coming from a third or a fourth tier city, or you are using a lower internet connection bandwidth. Some concerns around the charting feature as well. In case you want to do your technical or fundamental analysis, you might face some issues in loading of the charts at times. As far as some of the stats are concerned, the app was updated last on March 28th, 2017, which is around a couple of weeks from here. The general frequency update in case of Zerodha is 3 weeks, which is a decent frequency if you look at the overall industry. The installs are the range of 1 to 5 lakh, which is again a good number. So it's certainly a recommendable app as far as trading on the mobile is concerned. Moving on, let's talk about Anand Rathi now. Anand Rathi's mobile app is called Anand Rathi Trade Mobi 3.0. Well, Anand Rathi's mobile app is an exact opposite of Zerodha's mobile app in terms of performance. If you look at the numbers here, the app is rated at 2.9, not even 3, and it's been rated by around 45% of the total users at either 1 or 2. So some of the concerns also came into picture, but really it was of a varied sort of concerns. There were issues in the UI. If you look at the user interface or the screens, it's very basic. You won't really get a lot of amazing sort of expectations as far as the navigation is concerned. There are concerns in connectivity. There are issues in performing your technical or fundamental analysis, and especially if you are looking to do it on an intraday basis. So these concerns make this app as a non-recommendable one. In fact, in one of the video that we have done, where we have figured out the worst 5 mobile apps for trading in India, Anand Rathi's mobile app certainly is part of that. So it is not a recommendable app if you are opening an account or you are a client of Anand Rathi. We do not recommend you to trade through the mobile app, because you might lose on some of the opportunities that could have possibly given you higher profits. Coming back to the comparison, if you are looking at other trading platforms as well, Zerodha's got solutions like Zerodha Pi, which is a terminal-based software. They've got Zerodha Kite, which is a web-based application, and similarly they've got other trading platforms and trading technical analysis platforms that can help you in performing your technical and fundamental setup. Similarly, on the other hand, Anand Rathi's got Trade Express Plus. They've got Trade Lite, which is a web-based solution. So, and then they have X-Pro and X-Pro Plus. So they've got a huge variety when it comes to trading platforms across devices. But at the point of performance, at the time of making good opportunities and getting profits out of it, Zerodha's trading platforms are certainly better than Anand Rathi's, hands down. There's no doubt about it. There are possibly other stockbrokers who can bring out different trading platforms which are better than Zerodha's. But if you want to compare it with Anand Rathi, then Zerodha's trading platforms way better than Anand Rathi. So it also comes down to the point on your expectations and preferences. If you're looking for decent brokerage and trading platforms, you can go for Zerodha. Anand Rathi wins for customer service and research reports, certainly. So it really comes down to the point back to your expectations. However, if you're not sure, if you are confused, whichever stockbroker can be suitable for you, you can check out our link digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details there and we will set a few callbacks for you as per your preferences. This is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel Digital Blogger for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video again. Bye bye.